Welcome to the topic series. We're talking about accessories for both the Kask and the Petzl helmets. These climbing safety helmets have become popular, and so we're building a comprehensive accessory line to fit not only the Kask and the Petzl, but all of the different climbing safety helmets that are out in the market. In this case, we have a weight compensating bracket, and this weight compensating bracket attaches to the Kask helmet, and it's a WCB-CSKQ. So that's going to get your bracket onto the helmet. Then we have the IM22L6FW, which is the face shield that's attached to it. And then this accessory right here is the QV-L6F-C5-W. Now this long model number will get you exactly what it is that you're looking for. In this case, it's a cobalt colored shade 5 lens. So you can observe the slag that's on the surface of the molten steel, and then you can flip it up, leaving your face shield down the whole time. This QuickView accessory design is very unique. Again, fits onto the Kask helmet. If we were going to put this same system onto the Petzl helmet, we'd have to have a WCB-CSPQ, which is a slightly different arrangement, but it's made specifically for this Petzl helmet. So to attach it, we're using the adapters here. They have the press to release feature, which makes them easy to attach, and they go into the accessory slots that are on the two sides of the helmet. I'm going to put the shield, or the adapter I should say, into the slot, and then again on the other side. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to attach this assembly onto this Petzl helmet. So there's attachment slots in the helmet, and for our attaching, we call it the attachment. It's here and on here. These will drop into the slot and it snaps into place. That's all it takes to attach the whole assembly to the helmet. Now it's in the down or the stowed position, will be up and locked. This is the deployed position. And here we have this very unique feature of that you can raise and lower the QuickView. So why would you want to do that? Well, let's say that you're in a circumstance where you have molten steel, you have a ladle, it's dark inside the steel mill, and so you want to have your face shield down to give you protection, but have it to be clear so you can see as best as possible. Now you're going to turn and face the ladle or the furnace. You drop your QuickView down in the position, you do your work, and then you can flip this up, keeping this down for protection from all of the sparks and stuff that's flying around. Now if you want to raise the whole assembly up for ventilation, it comes up and locks in this way. And of course you can just simply raise and lower it in this fashion. You don't have to use the QuickView feature. The reason that this is clear here is to give you, when you have this in the down position, you still have a good view of your feet and your footing. So again, this is the QuickView attached to the Petzl helmet. In this case, we're using a shade 5 visor that is a cobalt color. And you can raise and lower the QuickView independent of the face shield itself.